Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve issue on Windows 11 where it says with Windows Hello Face that the option is currently unavailable. Click to learn more. We couldn't find a camera compatible Windows Hello Face guys. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. Go to privacy and security, click on it. Scroll down guys, Windows permission, apps. Here apps permission, you want to select camera. Here you want to camera access, you want to enable it, and whatever apps you want to using the camera, you want to enable, turn on this guys as well. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.